Asikhamba noCry wakwaPoku emhathweni omkhulu iKwekwezi FM kukhanya ba.
Kusho ukuthi isikhathini esiningi ngihamba ngemarket.
Yeah.
Remember ukuthi if you are an artist, you are an artist. It means you can do anything. Le edinga ukuthi ucraft ngesandla. So mina specifically ngizifocusela more ekudrawing abantu ngizokhona ukcapture ama emotions wabo. If ever ngikhona ukudrawela iface yakho uyakhona ukuthi wow nani ithi ngiyenzele usesi wami for iparty yakhe, ithi ngiyenzele usesa roma mami for igift. Khona if ever ufuna ngikenzele le onayo ufuna ngicustomizele yakho, maybe indlu yakho or anything, it's fine. Ungeza ngiyagenzela perfect. So into engayisho kubantu ebalalela ukuthi omunye nomunye unendlela aphiwe ngayo. So mina ikhono lami bangiphe kuphi ukuthi ngizokhona ukudraw. Mengithi ngenza i-living, it means ukuthi ngiyakhona ukubalansa lapho nalapho. If ever endlini kushoda isinkwa, ngiyakhona ukuthi if ever kune client umuntu ofunile ukuthi ngimdrawele and then ngenzeni ngimdrawele and then ngiyakhona ukuthi uma ngithola something ngihamba ngobeka isinkwa endlini through imali yama drawings.
Thank you sibonga ukufika lapha kuKwekwezi FM.